trust me. I can so get you right now. I can get you so bad. I can scare the shit out of you, but I won't do it.
Alright, it's a good one.
You got a problem.
What's the problem?
Not working.
I'm looking for the bear. Run out there.
That should be it right there, cuz.
Okay, we're going to try to do this like we see on YouTube. We got a Mountain Dew bottle and a 5-gallon bucket sitting on the front airbag out of a 97 Explorer. Come all the way over here. Over here. We're going to pass this off to old Parker over here. Parker DKC.
You gonna count it off?
You count it.
You count it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Look at this motherfucker. That bitch is smoking, boy. What is it, man? I'm gonna stick with it this time, because last time I just let it go. I might have to edit the music out. Noah's up. Alright, when are you ready?
Count it down.
You count it down.
5, 4, 3.
Good God, look at that Mountain Dew bottle. Look at this motherfucking fender. Holy shit. Damn. That is what an airbag will do to your ass. Look at the damn fender, cuz. Holy shit. Good God. There's an airbag way the hell over there. That Mountain Dew bottle went 30 feet in the damn air. Look at this shit. It's a shorty. That bitch has got pressure in it too, boy. Drink it. How dare you drink? Good God.
Well,
ain't no good no more. Look at this bag, man.
grab the hot part.
Nah, negative. Damn. That one had pressure, boy. That one had some blast with it. Crazy. That's just crazy.